Welcome to the new episode of our webinar Big Questions. This is a series brought to you by the SchoolNet India. We are the pioneers in education technology in India for over 20 years now. I am Vagish Jha. I head the academic and teacher training wing of this organization. And I have with me my colleague, Mr. Arindam Ghosh. Arindam.
Thank you, Vagishi, and I welcome all the panelists to this episode of Big Questions, which we started a couple of months back. It has been our effort to create a community of practice of teachers and school leaders from whom we can learn and we can share our experience so that at the end of the day, the entire teaching learning community enriches with this method of learning and sharing. So welcome everyone.
Thank you, sir.
So we all know a microscopic entity snapped life out of our schools more than 1.5 years ago. Schools are trying to come alive once again, but we all know that things are not going to be the same anymore. The way students learn, the way teachers teach, and the way schools conduct themselves have all undergone a fundamental change. What will be the post-COVID school and education like? We will have no ready-made answer to many of these questions. We need to put our heads together to think collectively about the new situation that is about to unfold. And that is why this webinar has been conceived of.
Right. So this webinar is a platform where all the stakeholders of education can come together to engage in an intimate dialogue. Yes, there's darkness surrounding many aspects still, but we know the best of dreams take shape in womb of the night. Seeds also sprout under the dark belly of the earth. Har raat ki subah hoti hai. So here we have three experienced school leaders with us to share their experiences and vision with us to figure out the shape of the future of the school. Our focus during this webinar will be on how we can make learning more personalized, more effective, and leverage technology to take it to the next level. Vagish ji.
So इससे पहले कि मैं अपने सारे मेहमानों को अपना परिचय देने के लिए कहूँ, मैं आप सबसे बताना चाहता हूँ कि आज का ये कार्यक्रम हम द्विभाषीय रखेंगे. We will be bilingual and we will be talking in English and Hindi both. So I request now my distinguished panelists to introduce themselves, but there is a game in it. So while you introduce yourself, please tell me what is your most important takeaway on the teaching learning process during the pandemic. आप अपना परिचय दें, पर ये भी कहें कि इस 1.5 साल से ज्यादा समय हो चुका, आपके लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या है जो आप कहते हैं जो आपको हासिल हुई इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान. We can start with any one of you.
Myself, I am Sanjeev Kumar Jain, Principal KK Public School, Khatoli District, Muzaffarnagar, UP. First of all, I want to say really thanks as a panelist from Karan and Vagish sir and Arindam Ghosh sir. The main things कि हमने अपने आप को एज ए स्कूल लीडर्स में किस प्रकार से इस पैंडेमिक में अपने आप को सफर किया. 18 मार्च को जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लॉकडाउन की घोषणा की तो उस टाइम हम शॉक कि कैसे सरवाइव होगा, कैसे जो हमारा जो एक फैमिली है टीचर्स की उसको हम कैसे लेके जाएंगे. धीरे धीरे अभी जैसे अरिंदम घोष सर ने कहा कि हर रात की सुबह होती है, तो इसी चीज को लेते हुए हमने अपने एक प्लेटफॉर्म को तैयार किया. अपने स्कूल में एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट किया क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स का. एप्स के थ्रू हमने उनको सभी को एक साथ लेकर आए और धीरे धीरे हमने उन चीजों को जो उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही थी उस चीज को शॉर्ट आउट किया. और जो भी मैसेज था ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का या अपने जो स्कूल का जो क्लासरूम था उसको एक रूम में डेकोरेट कर एक कैमरा, एक माइक, इस प्रकार से टीचर्स को भी उस प्लेटफॉर्म पर लेकर आए, जिससे कि बच्चों की जो भविष्य है, फ्यूचर है, उसको हम कैसे सेव कर सके।
Fantastic. Fantastic. Absolutely. Kavita ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone, once again. And it had been a pleasure yesterday when we had spoken and expressed and introduced ourselves. So there is a comfort level, and thank you, Vagishi ji, for that. Thank you, Arindam. And I have been associated with you from past 1 year, and it's a great honor to be here today. And it's a great honor to be a panelist with reputed people like Sanjeev Kumar ji and Krishna Mohan Sharma ji. And the biggest takeaway, now I was just hearing कि संजीव कुमार जी ने जैसे बोला कि मोदी जी आए 18 तारीख को और उन्होंने घोषणा की. So the biggest scare was the same issue which happened during the currency note issues which they had banned, and जिसको हम नोटबंदी कहा जाता है, उस तरह स्कूल बंदी कर दी गई या पूरा देश बंदी कर दी गई. Something of that scare was there, and it turned out to be true. And the biggest takeaway which you were asking, for me, it was a blessing in disguise. What I feel. Education, जैसे कल संजीव कुमार जी ने बोला कि हमको मिरर दिखाया है. Where do we stand? I totally agree with that. And जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि biggest takeaway is कि मैं खुद स्टूडेंट बन गई और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स बन गए. They were teaching themselves also, and they were teaching us also. It was not very difficult for me because being an electronics engineer, I was very adapted to the systems, the digital technology and all. लेकिन मुझे स्टूडेंट बनना पड़ा ये जानने के लिए कि मुझे मेरे टीचर्स को कैसे सिखाना है या मैं बच्चों से कैसे कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगी. Everything, how it has to be managed digitally, that we learn. And this has been a great blessing. शायद लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, ठीक है, तकलीफ हुई है हम लोगों को, अभी भी इस रात की सुबह नहीं, अभी तक हुई नहीं है सुबह, बट एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ फर्स्ट रे ऑफ डॉन, ऐसे हम बोल सकते हैं. वी कैन सी द ऑरेंज एंड येलो लाइट्स, एंड शायद अभी कुछ ही चंद सेकेंड में हम लोग सुबह हो जाएगी. इस ब्रह्म काल में है हम लोग अभी फिलहाल में. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. बट दिस हैज been a great learning.
Excellent. Kavita
all
ma'am.
Educators, I feel, phase of learning.
Yeah. Kavita ma'am, you have to introduce yourself also to the larger audience that we have with us today.
Yes, I'm Kavita Sonavne. I am the trustee or the chairperson of the World School, which is running here in Aurangabad. We have 2 branches over here. One is pre-primary and primary branch, and one is a CBSE, proposed CBSE school till grade 10th. We are there in this field from past 10 years. I am a teacher's trainer also, as well as an educator who is looking forward for a revolution in education, and specifically in education.
Thank you. Fantastic. Can I go to Krishna Mohan Sharma ji, please?
Good evening to all. Respected Vagish sir and Arvind sir, for giving the opportunity to come on this platform, and my colleagues, Mr. Sanjeev sir and Kavita ma'am. I am Krishna Mohan Sharma from the Kolaras Public School, Kolaras, district Shivpuri in Madhya Pradesh. I am in this field. I am joined since 20 years, and the motto of me is to whatever we can give to the students, to the education field. It's my purpose, is my vision is there, and for that vision, when we find the takeaway you are asking, so I'm just telling, when at the dark we find, and on that time we just think what we do for the students betterment, and then no one knows what is online classes. But there are, that is the term is there, only few of them the understand this one, especially where we are belonging. जो हम छोटी सी एक शहर से हैं, वहाँ पे इतना कुछ टेक्नो से भी लोग नहीं हैं. Then first I think my takeaway is that मैंने जो हासिल किया, I reach to maximum students, maximum parents, उनको हम convince कर पाए कि they should be part to regain their children. उनको एक जो रेंज देनी चाहिए, उनको जो एक लेवल पे ले जाना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए हम उन सबको लेके आ पाए जो जो चाह रहे थे कि उनके बच्चे, एक जो गैप बनने वाला है, जो गैप तो बना है, इट्स डोंट मी, अब उसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ द learners. We require the more and more effort for that, but still we find that we reach to the most of the corners, not all, it is not possible. So I think we reach to the maximum percentage. That are my takeaway in the during the pandemic.
Fantastic. Thank you. Arindam?
Yeah, thank you, panelists. So, given this, now we understand that during this pandemic, all of us, particularly those in, jaise ma'am keh rahi thi, it was like school bandi, and we are in the dawn, the beginning of dawn. But then there has been a fantastic learning experience for all of us. Something which perhaps we did not anticipate कि कैसे ये होगा, जो scare एक था, and from there हम सब ने सीखा, and we all adopted some or the other innovative practice. हर जगह, हर स्कूल, हर लीडर, हर टीचर कुछ ना कुछ innovative चीज किए हैं during this pandemic times to reach the last mile, to reach the last student. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है आपसे कि if you can please share any one such specific practice or specific thing that he would have done during this pandemic, different, innovative in your way, that would have that you would have tried out during this period of long break from regular schooling to reach the last mile, to reach the last student. Any one single innovative practice that you would have adopted. Maybe I would start with again in the same order, Sanjeev sir से कोई एक innovative चीज जो आपने करी है during this pandemic times, and then after Sanjeev sir I would request Kavita ma'am and Krishna Mohan sir. Sanjeev sir.
Yes sir. सर इनोवेटिव में अगर हम अपनी ऑनलाइन पर जाते हैं तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा जो मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो जुड़े वो आर्ट और क्रिएटिविटी में जुड़े बिसाइड द सब्जेक्ट्स, क्योंकि उनमें क्या था कि घर पर रहकर राइटिंग स्किल उनकी जीरो हो गई, और उससे क्या कि उनको एक क्रिएटिविटी वर्क पर लाने के लिए उनके लिए आर्ट का अगर जैसे पीरियड रखा गया तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स उसमें सबसे ज्यादा ज्वाइन हुए. थैंक्स.
Okay. Krishna Mohan sir? Okay,
Yes.
Kavita ma'am was saying something.
Yeah, should I speak?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Yes.
Yeah, the biggest innovative thing which I feel that I could achieve in this is students को हम लोग जो डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी इज अब्यूज बोल के हमने जो एक लोगों को बता के रखा था कि उसके वजह से बच्चे पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं या उसके कारण बच्चे बिगड़ रहे हैं, we gave them a huge platform or arena of learning. How to use this digital technology or mobile can be the biggest tool for learning for this 21st generation या 22nd generation हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि इन बच्चों को आपके पास में जो हथियार है गैजेट, हाउ पावरफुल इट इज, और इसका उपयोग आप कितने अच्छी तरीके, वी मेड चिल्ड्रन डिसाइड और द स्टूडेंट्स डिसाइड. अच्छाई और बुराई हर चीज में होती है. वी गेव देम द चॉइस एंड दैट यूज ऑफ दैट चॉइस और हाउ टू चूज जो एबिलिटी हम लोगों ने उनके अंदर दी है इसमें. आई थिंक ये शायद हम लोग अगर प्लान वे में करते तो शायद नहीं हो पाता. ये एक ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, ये हो गया है. एंड चिल्ड्रन नाउ नो कि इंटरनेट इज सच अ बिग बून विच दिस जनरेशन हैज, कि इसमें not only my teacher, not only my school, the whole world is my teacher and whole world is there for me to learn about. ये जो हम लोग स्पेस क्रिएट कर पाए हैं with leaders like Genio, जहां पर respecting teacher when she is so many kilometers away from you, empathize करना कि टीचर के साथ में she is unable to join the meeting, she is unable to do some controlling over in the screen. तो बच्चों ने टीचर को सिखाना कि मैम डोंट वरी, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू शेयर द स्क्रीन. ये जो एक एम्पैथेटिक सिचुएशन हम लोगों ने क्रिएट की, आई थिंक इससे ब्यूटीफुल कोई चीज हो नहीं सकती थी. सो फॉर मी दिस इनोवेशन वुड बी लाइक ब्रिंगिंग ईच अदर क्लोजर एंड टेलिंग स्टूडेंट्स की डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी इज सच अ बिग बून फॉर यू ऑल. और पेरेंट्स को भी ये समझाना कि दिस इज नॉट अ कर्स. आजकल के बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ उनके हाथ में मोबाइल है. आज कोई माँ बाप जाके बोल नहीं सकते बच्चों को कि मोबाइल मत यूज करो. So bringing parents closer to the digital technology, bringing students closer and making them realize how powerful tool they have with themselves. I think इससे बड़ा innovation तो कोई और चीज हो नहीं सकती. And bringing leaders like you on the platform and to the school, wherein you are forming a bridge between the student, teacher and the school. Genio जैसे platforms आए हैं market में and they are doing so well. So इससे बड़ा इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई चीज.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Actually, ma'am, you make very important comments and observations here. One, you have talked of how you have this, at least during this time, you have imparted the ability to decide in children, right? So the agency of learning, जो हम पिछले सालों से, हाँ, and the choice, the agency of learning and making choice being given to children, जो हम सालों से कोशिश करते आ रहे हैं, वो suddenly हो गया in some form or other.
Actually what happens is कि मेरे पास में जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट आता है या पेरेंट आता है, I generally ask them कि why do you want to put your child into school? पढ़ लिख के बड़ा बन जाए. मैंने वो तो वैसे भी एज करेगा ग्रेजुअली. बड़ा, what does bada? So we somewhere as educators and as parents are failing to make children realize or students realize why educating themselves is necessary. हम लोगों ने इतने दिनों से जो एक वो गैप छोड़ के रखा था, शायद वो फिल करने का या बच्चों तक रीजन पहुंचाने का या चॉइस, कोई भी अगर आप पे चॉइस होती है कि लाइक द चॉइस व्हिच आई हैव whether I need to attend the seminar or not is my choice. Liberty of that choice makes you happy. So now they have a choice कि अगर मैं ये टीचर का लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड कर पाते, there is an arena of platform which I have. गैजेट है, वो गैजेट का मिसयूज करना है या मुझे सीखना है, that choice is with the student.
Right.
So this we have, I think we could make up that gap. और ये blessing in disguise मैं इसलिए बोलती हूँ क्योंकि ये हम लोगों ने intentionally नहीं किया, ये हो गया, एजुकेटर्स से हो गया ये. एंड वी हैव कम क्लोजर टू स्टूडेंट एंड पेरेंट. हाँ, कुछ रीजंस में गैप बड़े हैं, फीस नहीं पे करने के कारण जो पेरेंट्स हैं, दैट गैप हैज इंक्रीज्ड, बट मे बी इवन दे रियलाइज्ड एंड वी रियलाइज्ड दैट हाउ वी नीड टू प्रेजेंट आवरसेल्व्स, व्हाई दैट देयर इज अ गैप, व्हाई पेरेंट्स आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर नीड ऑफ नॉट having the fees to be paid in time. So these all are two sides of the coin, but I think जब टॉस किया तो heads on and we are a winner at the end of the day. मैंने जब बोला कि इस रात की सुबह नहीं, ये सुनहरी सुबह होने वाली है और इसमें हम टेक अवेज ही लेके जा रहे हैं. There is, though we had pitfalls, though we had some backlashes, but इसमें हम लोग टेक अवेज, हर एक इंसान टेक अवेज लेके जाने वाला है, इंक्लूडिंग स्टूडेंट. So
thank you, Kavita ma'am. This
Yes.
is so beautifully and so elaborately explained. Can I go to Krishna Mohan Sharma, sir?
Yes, sir, sure. Correct, said by ma'am. Two things. Just want to initially मेरे पे दो points हैं. First is जो उन्होंने कहा कि the tools. We have the tools. जिसको पता नहीं है tools कैसे use करना है, that he or she cannot use. जैसे suppose if we have the, हमें कोई तलवार यदि आप रखनी है, उल्टी तलवार रखेंगे उसको नहीं चला पाएंगे. जब हमें जिस चीज का यूज आपको है उसको आप उस तरह से आप यूज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे जैसे इनोवेटिव प्रैक्टिस की बात की, तो जब हमने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट की, देन वी आर फाइंडिंग कि बहुत सारे जो पेरेंट्स थे, दे आर हैव द टू मच फियर, लाइक मैं सेड ना, द मोबाइल टच करेंगे पता नहीं बच्चा बिगड़ जाएगा, 100% इट विल हार्म टू हिम. Then, but when we go to them, here we explain it why it is important. तब वो parents भी समझ पाए. Student also having the too much fear to use it. Initially, they are not starting the videos. even they are not speaking anything. They joined with the class, but they not start the single thing. Slightly, teachers have given them room. In first of all, when we are going, मेरा जो फर्स्ट टारगेट था, वी नॉट गो फॉर द एकेडमिक इनिशियली, केवल हमें बच्चों को पढ़ाना नहीं था, वी हैव द ओवरऑल देयर डेवलपमेंट, वॉट एवर इट इज मिसिंग, हम स्कूल में जो कर पाते हैं हम उसका, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू द ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन कंपैरिजन, दैट्स टू मच डिफरेंस आर देयर, बट हम हाउ मच परसेंटेज वी कैन गिव टू देम। तो हमने वहां पे गए तो बच्चों को, पेरेंट्स को उस लेवल तक उनको एक बार सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट था कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कि भाई पेरेंट्स ये समझ पाए कि व्हाई इट इज द नीड ऑफ द ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे थे नहीं कुछ नहीं, अब तो स्कूल बंद हो गया, जब स्कूल खुलेगा देन वी विल सेंड द स्टूडेंट ओनली, अभी हमें कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करानी है। बट अब की भाई इसकी क्या नीड है, इनिशियली वी हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल गैदरिंग, when we start the classes, only the few students are coming, slightly we are reaching the students, teachers, they are personally contacting, making the telephones, and even sometimes they are having the other resources from the one student to second student, and they make the chain. So हमारा जो, I think the take up, the main thing is there, the innovative thing is that we are not missed their overall development, their feelings, उनको हमने हट नहीं होने दिया, we involve the parents when the classes we started, we take the parents, उनको motivate किया, उनको join किया, sometimes for the sir, ma'am is telling yesterday that till the second we are not having the any online classes, but our school is running from the nursery onwards the online classes, but on that time the parents, by heads of them, they are making the support, because without their support it is not possible to make them it success. So from the, it's not the much number is there, but many of the parents who पहले से सोच उनका था कि नहीं, they want to give some to the students, तो उन्होंने किया, and now it is offline started for the many classes, not the pre-primary, so it's the students is now coming and getting, but initially हम उनके बच्चों का means through the activities, we did the activities, whatever the activities we are doing on that time, we are doing on the celebration of festivals and the some other activities, project work, whatever sir is telling, the Sanjeev sir, about the art and craft. Yes, on that time the initially the student have a single idea, जब क्लास में होता है तो he is not have the, he just seeing others, but घर में कई बार पेरेंट्स का होता है कि okay he is doing and they are providing. One more thing is there कि जब लॉकडाउन था, the things those are available, actually the waste management जो हो पाया उस समय हो पाया, otherwise the ready-made things are available in the market, they are forcing to the parents कि भाई आप तो हमें ये सामान चाहिए, टीचर ने प्रोजेक्ट दिया, and they are going buying and the pasting work is there.
Very true.
क्या बात है, थैंक यू,
I would like to.
बिल्कुल सही है सर। और उसमें सर एक जस्ट अ मिनट सर, आई वांट टू से समथिंग अबाउट दिस
जी।
इस उसमें बच्चों को जब हमने एक टास्क दिया कि आप अपने घर पर जो भी आपको कोई चीज ऐसी सेल्फ बना सकते हैं, तो आप उसको अपने डिजिटल अपने उसी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर उनको बनाकर भेजें। तो बच्चों ने अपना आप ही मैगी भी बनाई, अपने टोस्ट बनाया, ब्रेड टोस्ट बनाया, जैम बनाया, अब मतलब कई वैरायटीज को वे बच्चे अपने आप ही सेल्फ लेकर आए और उसको शेयर किया। जितने भी कई फेस्टिवल्स आए उसमें भी हमने बच्चों को ड्रेसअप के थ्रू उनको उस कल्चर को भी जीवित रखा ऑनलाइन के थ्रू। तो इन द लास्ट ई लर्निंग हैज बीन ए बूम।
Thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to add it to the fact that, you know, this has brought about some fundamental changes in the way teaching and learning
Yes,
happens.
absolutely.
And आप बोले एक तरह से कहें तो कि स्कूल लोगों के घर में घुस गया, दूसरी तरफ अगर देखें तो पहली बार स्कूल को पता चला कि उनके बच्चों के घर कैसे हैं।
घर कैसे
Exactly. I would demonstrate this. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you,
Yes,
but demonstrate this with a very beautiful example. earlier, like sir said, the first day of the digital learning, when everyone had put on their cameras and they were eager to see the teacher, or teachers were eager to see the students and all, there was chaos. Everyone had to be muted. Everyone had to be asked to turn on their mics, and parents were peeping on the cameras with their children. So this all ended up after 1.5 years. If you see, they now know, they have learned on their own that when they enter a classroom, there has to be a decorum. There is no need of muting anyone. Everyone, choice is again, as I said, in their own hands, whether to create or disturb the class, or to just be a silent watcher and allow someone else to speak, and they have to raise their hand while they're speaking. This we couldn't attain in the last 100 years when the children were coming in the classroom. जैसे टीचर नहीं होती थी, they used to run away from their places and they used to go hither and thither. But now they have understood that they have to sit at one place in front of the camera. Even a second standard child or student knows how to sit in the front of camera. They need to have a background. The light has to reflect. We have taught them science unknowingly. How reflection is there. Their light has to be opposite. They have to be there in front of the camera. They have to maintain a decorum. They have to raise their hand before speaking. So this all self-discipline has been taught automatically to them. No one has taught them. So this is an example of how beautifully we have evolved education and the gap that this generation needed. Monotonous learning, where I said, jahan par curiosity-based learning was not there from past 50 years. We were just sending the children वही textbooks, वही यही चीज जो much needed change इस generation को चाहिए था, और हम लोग 2 सीढ़ी चढ़े, वो लोग 4 सीढ़ी और चढ़े. So in a way we have progressed. So this is a beautiful combination of progressing.
Excellent. So there has
I think this is so well said. Actually, even it didn't occur to me when you were saying. I have a child in my house. Went through the same rigor of online classes, mics not being muted, and disturbance and all of that. And now, and while you were speaking, I was thinking actually in the back of my mind, yes, my child also, when she starts the class, she keeps sitting there, doesn't move. Whereas in school, it would have been slightly different. So she knows the decorum,
Yes.
when to put on, when to put off, what to do, how to sit, all of that. And this is a very beautiful example you have given. Thank you so much.
So now even speaking in face, like how to speak, or is it my turn to speak, which we couldn't teach from past 50 years. Maybe you all are more experienced than me over here. I feel that you have been educators from more longer period of time that I have come into education. But this was missing. We wanted them to hear us, and we were taking a very different path. Now they want to hear us. They want to be in the school. They are looking forward to come into school back again. So
Right.
this beautiful phenomenon which has occurred.
Ma'am is telling. Okay. She's
बोलिए,
telling about that the schooling. The students want to come back to the school. That is there. When we started the school for the few classes, we are not expecting that much of strength. इतना नहीं था हमें कि भी इतने बच्चे आएंगे. But when we start the school, offline school, the number of students turn up. The parents also send them, because जो गैप था ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन का, वो कहीं ना कहीं था. और यहाँ पे जो the students है, but we can't be down the online class. उसको हम छोटा नहीं कर सकते. इतना कुछ इसने दिया है कि शायद यदि हम ये मान लें, if you make them the zero in the 18th March 2020, and here also we start from zero, so it means loss. We can't, कितना भी आप कुछ कर लेते उसको आप पूरा नहीं कर सकते थे यदि ये ऑनलाइन क्लास को हम जीरो करके मान के चलते थे.
थैंक यू. सो आप सब लोगों की बातचीत से जो बात निकल कर आ रही है वो ये है कि देयर हैज बीन लॉट्स ऑफ चेंजेस इन सो मेनी अदर फील्ड्स, बट फॉर अस वी हैव टू काइंड ऑफ फोकस ऑन अ फ्यू ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, यस देयर हैज बीन चेंज, the students have got the agency, now they can जो कभी मोबाइल छूते थे तो डांटते थे उनको, अब उनके लिए पेरेंट्स मोबाइल खरीद कर दे रहे हैं।
Yes.
जो टीचर कभी ऑनलाइन लर्निंग या डिजिटल लर्निंग के बारे में नहीं सोचते थे, अब वो अच्छे से कंफर्टेबली कर पा रहे हैं। रोल ऑफ स्कूल इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ गेटिंग चेंज। मैं ज्यादा फोकस्ड सवाल ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि बच्चों के लर्निंग बिहेवियर में किस प्रकार का चेंज आप देख रहे हैं? बाकी सब चेंजों को छोड़ दें, बच्चों के सीखने की जो प्रक्रिया है, सीखने की जो प्रवृत्ति है, उसमें किस प्रकार के परिवर्तन आप देख पा रहे हैं? कैसे चेंज हुआ है?
इन दिस इसमें मुझे जो लग रहा है, अभी जो ट्रेडिशनल लर्निंग में जस्ट यदि हम कोई वीडियो रन कर रहे हैं एंड व्हेन वी आर सीइंग द नेचुरल वीडियो, it's running in the simple speed, and when it makes it twice, either 4 times, there is one option is there when the video is running, it make the 2 times, 4 times. So I think due to that the changes in behavior, पहले जो सीखते थे वो केवल 1 टाइम एक तरह से सीख रहे थे, नाउ दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द 4 ways, भाई
मल्टी-डायमेंशनल लर्निंग।
हाँ, लाइक कि जो गैजेट्स थे जो हमारे लिए फालतू पड़े हुए थे, जिनको कि हम ये सोचते थे इससे तो नुकसान होने वाला है, उन्होंने ही हमें बहुत सारे फील्ड दिए। बच्चे दे आर नॉट यूजिंग द सर्च इंजन्स, they are not using like the Genio, the means the platform where we have the lot things are there. तब जो बच्चे में चेंज आया कि दे आर फाइंडिंग द वेज, अभी केवल वो टीचर पे डिपेंड नहीं रहे, और वहां पे गए टीचर्स विल मेक द क्लैरिफिकेशन कि टीचर बिल्कुल 100% है, क्योंकि समवेयर व्हेन वी हैव द some glitches, some problems are there, physical explanation it is needed. It is okay, the suppose we are preparing the videos, हम क्लास का लेक्चर तैयार करते हैं, it's somewhere some small things are क्या करते हैं हम एक जनरल वे में हम उसको पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, बट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग उसको जब रिव्यू करते हैं तो समटाइम्स some is left, some is in more explained, so that is needed the help of it. So behavioral change I found it the much change are coming in the learning process. पहले जो प्रोसेस था उससे एकदम बास्ट हो गया है. Now the teachers also require more effort to clear the students doubt, because now he is teaching with the more teachers in place of the one teacher.
I would like to, before going to Sanjeev sir, I would like to once again draw attention to our viewers who all are there, is that we have today with us two of the principals like Krishna Mohan Sharma ji and Sanjeev Kumar Jain ji, who are running schools in a semi-urban area, almost kind of they are catering to a very different kind of students, and they are in the small places like Krishna Mohan Sharma ji is in Kolaras, which is in Shivpuri district, about 100 kilometers inside Gwalior, and Sanjeev Kumar Jain comes from Khatauli, which is a sugar belt in western UP. Sanjeev Jain sir, क्या बच्चों में उनके पढ़ने के प्रवृत्ति में क्या परिवर्तन दिखा?
सर, बच्चों की जो लर्निंग प्रोसेस था उसमें बच्चों के अंदर जब ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस से जब जुड़े, और उसमें सबसे बेस्ट जो जीनियो ने अपना जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, तो उनके अंदर एक क्यूरियोसिटी उत्पन्न हुई कि हम और क्या आगे क्या कर सकते हैं। मेन चीज कि टीचर्स के साथ साथ ऐप के थ्रू उनको मेंटोर का सपोर्ट मिला, क्वेश्चन बैंक अपना कैसे तैयार कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चन के आंसर को हम कैसे उसको फीडबैक कर सकते हैं। तो इन चीजों में उनके अंदर मेन चीज क्या है कि अब जो सब्जेक्ट टीचर कोई आने वाला है या हमें अगला क्या टास्क देंगे, तो उन चीजों में बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छे इस चीज को लर्निंग को अपना दिया है। और मैं स्पेशली जो है ना, मतलब ये स्पेशली ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जो जीनियो ऐप है वो अपने आप में बच्चों को एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिससे कि बच्चों के अंदर न्यू एज लर्निंग जो इकोसिस्टम था उत्पन्न हो। Thanks.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jain Saab. While coming to Kavita Sonwane, I just wanted to tell you I am a student of history, and when Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to shift the capital of Delhi to some other place. Then they chose the place where Kavita Sonwane is right now there. That is Aurangabad, which used to be known at that time as Daulatabad. This is a excellent, extremely important place from the tourism point of view. But that again is also from the Indian perspective, it's a second tier city. And again, the kind of clientele, the kind of students that she is catering is a very important kind of a school, and the World School is one of those affordable kind of school. Yes, Kavita ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So the important question which you placed over here, is there a pattern of change in pattern of learning by the student?
Yes.
Right. Now, this particular has a reflection as well as a refraction. Like being a science student, I would like to analyze both the aspects over here. I would say, जैसे आपने बोला है कि बहुत सारे platforms available हैं, बच्चों को monotonous learning के अलावा कुछ मिल रहा है, everything is there. But at the same time, मैंने जैसे कल हम लोगों की एक छोटा सा आपने एक चिट चैट अरेंज किया था, प्री वेबिनार काइंड ऑफ थिंग, उसमें मैंने जैसे शेयर किया कि देयर आर 4 टीचर्स हु हैव कम अप विद अ स्कूल. ये एक बहुत बड़ा स्केयर है. एक बहुत बड़ा स्केयर इसलिए है कि ओनली अ टीचर इटसेल्फ कैन नॉट मेक अ कंप्लीट स्कूल. आज कैमरा में ही जितनी हम दिखाते हैं दुनिया उतनी ही नहीं है. सो सिमिलरली एक टीचर कैमरा के सामने बैठ के कोई नॉलेज का या इंफॉर्मेशन की आदान प्रदान अगर हो रहा है तो वी जस्ट कैन नॉट कॉल इट अ स्कूल.
Right, ma'am. Right.
Digital learning also has a limitation wherein we are just giving information. You are seeing the technology is there. We are using the technology when you are able to connect to them physically. और बच्चे आ नहीं सकते. The digital school cannot itself comprise of a complete school anytime. I am totally of the idea that it cannot take over the physical schools. जो सबसे बड़ा थ्रेट भी है हम लोगों को आगे कि क्या प्राइवेटली बच्चा डिजिटल लर्निंग के थ्रू सीख के स्कूल को बाईपास कर सकता है. That question is being slapped on our faces कि बच्चा अगर सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन ही दी जा रही है स्कूल में. आई एम सीइंग सो मेनी एड्स, अफोर्डेबल स्कूलिंग फॉर कंप्लीट एकेडमिक ईयर, कॉन्टैक्ट अस. प्राइवेटली सिर्फ आपके बच्चों को बाय नॉन आईआईटी प्रोफेशनल सिखाया जाएगा. विल इट रियली फिल द गैप ऑफ द स्कूल? Like I would like to have, being a panelist, I would like to throw that question to all the panelists and the audience over here.
This is a very this is a very important question that you are raising, Kavita ma'am.
And it's scary also.
Yes.
It's scary. Not from the point of view of being a school owner or मेरे पास कौन से बच्चे आएंगे या I'll lose the students, but where do we stand? Can a teacher, a physics topper, delivering lectures on physics to grade 8, 9, 10 or 11, 12 will comprise or take the place of the school?
So, ma'am, I would like to just come in because you asked a very important question, and again, I would like to share my personal experience over here, and perhaps that's the experience with many. So, my daughter, who was in class 4, and when this lockdown hit, she was in class 3. For 1.5 years, the school has been black tiles on the desktop, right? While they have learned a lot during this, classes continued, information was shared and all of that, but she keeps asking me for the last few months that when will schools reopen? So I tell her that whatever you learn in school is already you're learning online. So why do you want the schools to reopen? Why do you want to go to school? Then she says that I miss my friends, I miss my teachers, I miss the school building, I miss the school playground. So all of these things are important elements. The social, physical contact, I believe, are important elements for the growing of a child, right? And that's where the school has to play an important role. Where technology comes in, it perhaps takes some of the mundane tasks away and gives some agency of learning to the child, but at the same time, I think what is more important is, can technology play an important role in making learning, teaching more personalized with respect to a child? जैसे पहले इंडिया में गुरु शिष्य परंपरा होता था, and learning was very customized, right, to an individual. Can technology help in customizing learning to the individual to suit the learning styles of the individual, to suit have unique learning paths for the individual? So can technology help in personalizing that while schools reopen? And can schools actually embrace that technology in delivering personalized learning so that each child can learn in her own way and yet achieve whatever grade specific learning outcomes are required to be achieved, but learn in her own way? Teacher gets the feedback that, okay, where the child is lagging and what is the additional input required to be given to the child so that, she she closes those gaps and achieves her grade specific outcomes. So any thoughts on the personalization of learning, and any thoughts, since many of your schools would have adopted Genio, any thoughts on how applications like Genio can help in the future of schooling?
Sir, one thing I want to add with the ma'am's questions, that about the schooling. जो ऑफलाइन स्कूल है उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस, when we offline school was started, when we find the student, they have the aggressiveness, they not have that much of the respect earlier they have, because they are just have the transformation of the knowledge only. They not have the transformation of the social thing. Like sir has also, Arindam sir also told that the friends or the many things. So वो जो चीज है, that not giving the online classes, they give the knowledge but not the overall development of the student.
Physically interaction must be.
Yeah. पर एक जो सवाल अभी अरिंदम सर ने पूछा,
I would like to add a bit. Sorry, I'm interrupting you, Mr. Vagish, again. The way Mr. Arindam said, is personalized learning necessary or not necessary? Is personalized learning an improvisation, or it is what you can say shutting off the school or disapproving of the school? So these are very different aspects. I'll tell you a very beautiful, maybe I will be able to elaborate this by giving a very good example. Do we need customized clothes, or we can just have customized or branded clothes? Are they necessary? Or we can just go about with like brands like who are producing masses, to the masses they are producing clothes. So are we comfortable with that, the daily wearing clothes or something like that? So how do we differentiate? If we really want to polish ourselves beyond a particular limit with the already available information or knowledge, if we want to have one step further, like for example, in a school, there are the teaching is done through a particular module, like you teach according to an average child. Suppose if a child is above average, he is not getting the knowledge as per his potential. Extraordinary child hai agar, we are teaching as per the 60% or 70% strength of the class, we are going with that pace, we are going with that information. But with the platforms like Genio or the digital technology, we can always have an extra class or upper edge. We can always give that upper edge to that particular student. It is not necessary that it has to be done through his private interference or through parents, but even schools can identify that kind of children and provide them with that upper edge education through softwares like Genio, through platforms like Genio. We can have a separate question bank for them. We can have an above average student. If we have identifying that student, we can have a separate question bank for them, and we can have a extra activity added to his syllabus or curriculum. So this has to be visualized by the school, and it has to go hand in hand. So private interference of education or private coaching or private support is necessary. अगर हम डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी से हम ये सब कर सकेंगे, it can be a boon to that student, and even the student who lags below average, उसको अगर लेक्चर सुनना है उसको अगर फिर से once more time if he has to have a repetition of that particular class, then he can have it, which was missing earlier. So this needs to be identified by the school, by the educator, and then provided. And Genio platform is doing that very beautifully. The support which the school has through the Genio platform that can be availed by the student. You have been, yeah. So मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, हथियार हमारे पास में, हाउ टू यूटिलाइज दैट फॉर बेटरमेंट और फॉर बैड, ये हम लोगों को डिसाइड करना है.
Absolutely. Maggie, you were saying something.
संजीव सर, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? आपके यहाँ जीनियो है. In what way you think Genio is helping you, or how do you look at the Genio?
सर, मेन चीज वही है कि जो जीनियो ऐप का है उसमें बच्चों के अंदर हर चीज का बुक्स के हिसाब से उनका जो पेजेस है वही आपको गाइडलाइन दे रहा है. क्वेश्चन बैंक का फॉर्मेट काफी हेल्पफुल है. और अभी जैसे मैडम ने कहा है कि अगर ये ऐप जीनियो ऐप स्कूल के अंदर हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो उससे बच्चों को हेल्प तो मिल रही है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों में हमारे अंदर ये उत्पन्न हो जाता है कि अब हमें अगला क्या करना है. लाइक द मे एंगेज द स्टूडेंट बाय द क्रिएटिविटी, बाय द टास्क, ये सब मेन फोकस रहेगा. बाकी तो इसमें आप जानते हैं कि अब जैसे जैसे अभी मैडम ने कहा कि हर रात की सुबह तो होती है, अभी अरिंदम घोष सर ने कहा था, लेकिन वो सुबह लगता है कि अब जल्दी ही आ रही है. क्योंकि अभी आप ये देखिए कि जहां हम टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी सीबीएसई की अगर मैं बात करता हूं, क्योंकि एज ए एफिलिएशन आईसी मेंबर में और जहां पर भी हम देखते हैं या फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड में या सीटेट में, अभी जो एग्जाम्स का जो कंडक्ट आ रहा है टर्म फर्स्ट का, तो उसमें सारी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है सीबीएसई की, जो अभी कंपार्टमेंट एग्जाम्स हुए थे, तो सभी स्कूलों में उन्होंने ऑनलाइन थ्रू ही सभी के क्वेश्चन पेपर भेजे. सभी को इतना ट्रेन करना पड़ा हम लोगों को कि अब जो है कहीं पर भी हम लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. तो दिस मीन्स की जो ई लर्निंग है वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ आपको देती है. और जीनियो ऐप अपने आप में एक ऐसा ऐप है जो टीचर के साथ साथ स्टूडेंट को भी एक नया इनोवेशन प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहा है.
कृष्ण मोहन सर, आपका
Very
क्या
true.
एक्सपीरियंस है? एंड देन आई एम आल्सो इनवाइटिंग द पार्टिसिपेंट्स हु ऑल आर जॉइनिंग एज द अटेंडीज that please write in your questions, because we would definitely like to take a few questions that comes from you. Krishna Mohan sir.
सर, आई थिंक जो अरिंदम सर का क्वेश्चन है कि पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग इज इट कस्टमाइज, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए? श्योरली 100% पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग दैट इज एवरी एजुकेटर्स आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. जो हमारी फर्स्ट एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है वहां से लेके अभी तक लेटेस्ट न्यू एनईपी 2020, ऑल आर टेलिंग अबाउट द लर्निंग अप टू द लास्ट एक्सटेंट. और व्हेन वी रीच टू द लास्ट एक्सटेंट तभी पहुंच पाएंगे जब हम पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग पे फोकस करेंगे. बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, ओनली वी जस्ट रीच टू द लास्ट पर्सन तक पहुंच जाए, बट हाउ ही और शी शुड टीच, उसको किस मेथोडोलॉजी से पढ़ाना, व्हाट इज द पेडागोगी इज देयर, एंड ऑफ द पेडागोगी only will be implemented 100% when the proper tools is with it. So the tools like we told about the Genio, it is supporting too much. We are initially joined with it, very means the use of it, and we found it's nice. And जो टेक्नोलॉजी है दोनों को जब मिक्सअप करेंगे, मीन्स द पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग के लिए द रिसोर्सेज प्लस द टीचर, देन वी फाइंड द बेस्ट आउटपुट.
तो ये जो अभी कृष्ण मोहन,
I would like to add something.
ये जो अभी एक मिनट मैम, ये जो कृष्ण मोहन शर्मा जी बोल रहे हैं अभी, that personalized learning has to be combined with what is called the instructional design.
Yes.
And it's not personalized learning that students are left to themselves. to
Yeah,
learn, and they have mastered it, they are going to master everything. That rather than that,
विवेकानंद तो एक ही होते हैं सर, सब नहीं हो पाते हैं.
the deep research that has gone towards the looking at the effectiveness of the personalized learning, they have found that when personalized learning is combined with instructional design, its effect becomes greater. So
Yeah.
that is
Yes.
what,
Correct.
and
Yes.
that is how Genio is also different from other personalized learnings.
Yes.
Because here teachers are considered to be the core. Students are learning by themselves, but then teachers have a major role to play. Yes.
I would like to add one very beautiful thing. My like I'm sharing a personal information. My daughter is in grade 10 and she is in my school. She said, "Mama, Genio has helped me attain something which I was unable to understand what the teacher was teaching me." So I saw the video and I saw our teacher's explanation. I combined both of the things. I saw a pre-recorded video. I saw a live class of the Genio teacher, and I saw our lecturer, our school lecturer teaching it, and I was able to understand the topic so beautifully. So sometimes it happens that child is unable to connect for that particular topic with that teacher, and the teacher misses out that one child out of that 40 children. She is more happy that 70 students are understanding, one is not understanding. आप ठीक से ध्यान दो, आप ठीक से ध्यान दो. So maybe one particular what you can say angle of teaching gets disturbed over there, but which can be attained by various teachers or various videos which Genio is giving in support. So this is a very beautiful example that जितने भी teacher रहे उतने कम हैं, चाहे student एक हो. So that is a very beautiful way of achieving that by having personalized upper edge support like Genio. So I feel कि ये technology ने एक हमको, मैंने फिर से बोला, blessing दिया है that we can have instructional school as well as a personalized or customized design for teaching a particular child. So दोनों का combination will be the best.
So मेरे ख्याल से आपने जो सवाल पूछे हैं, अरिंदम सर, will you take the question that has come in the chat? Swara and
Yeah.
हाँ.
So I think there is one question is how are schools looking at adopting personalized learning? Because as a concept, school teachers have to teach considering all the students in mind. मतलब schools में हम कैसे personalization को लेकर आ सकते हैं? This has been one question, and a similar question which has been asked by Shraddha is it a fair description of the current situation that some students underachieve because the curriculum has no relevance for them, or is it that some students achieve despite a curriculum which has no relevance for them? In this respect, should a curricula for personalized learning be decided by the students given their agency and choice, deciding what they want to learn and not just how they want to learn? Very interesting question. So first question is,
Very interesting.
how can schools adopt personalized learning? Second question is, should we have different curriculum? I mean, should students have the choice to choose their curriculum?
Nice. So generalized curriculum, for a generalized curriculum, how do you effectively use the personalized learning? That Swara's question is that. Very nice question. Yes.
Yes.
For the adopting the personalizing learning, that is with the traditional part. First of all, there is a need to how to have the now in this scenario, present scenario, it is much required when we are finding the student. अभी जो हमारे पास बच्चे आ रहे हैं from the gap of the 1.5 year, we are finding the much gap. जो some are have the different level, some of the other. There is a approximately we can't be go from the beginning as in the for the one student, but we have to be divided in the part initially. हम उसको जब हम first stage में जाके we have to be identify the students the learning gaps, and then we have to be fill and then reach to the last part. Initially आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि with the, that is correct question कि with the instructional ways हम उसको पूरा का पूरा एक साथ ही सीधे डायरेक्ट जाके पहुंच जाए. बहुत tough task है for the teachers, for the manager like me, but it can with the proper studies. It is possible. Initially, हम शुरू में first we take small groups of the student for the learning part. Then we make the some other thing. But with the use of tools, we can utilize very easily can be applied. Use of the videos or use other things.
I would say that Swara's question that how schools are looking at adopting personalized learning, I had answered a bit of that, like when she has also answered, because a concept of school teachers to teach considering all the students in mind. So generally we teachers, trainers train the teachers saying that 80% of the syllabus understood by the 80% of students, and they should achieve 80% of the marks, or you can say a learning outcome should be achieved by 80%. So this is a general rule of teaching in a classroom. So what about that 20%, and what about that below average 30% students? So she herself has answered that question, like personalized learning is the answer to that monotonous job which teachers and schools were doing by ignoring the above average student of 20% and below average 20% students who were being ignored. See, 20% who are below the average, we were giving remedial learning for them. वो लोग either by the parent or by the school tuition लगाते थे, that is called as a remedial learning methodology, or the school used to detain the student or give extra homework, or we used to give extra assignments to that particular child and do the remedial part. So we were pointing or focusing on students who were unable to perform. But what about the students who were overachieving? अगर आप आजकल देखते हैं, grades are 98, 99, 99.99. So are these children super achievers? We can say that they are super achievers. If we see the graph is in a very steeping higher steady pace पे ग्राफ जा रहा है, wherein all the students are achieving above 90%. So शायद हमारा assessment format या हमारा teaching format उनको कम पड़ रहा है. So what about these overachievers? So personalized learning can be a great tool for this kind of students. जहाँ पर level 1, level 2, level 3, you see the Western technology or Western education system. For they have what you can call as plus वाला जो format है, like level 1, level 2. A child in grade 4 can give 3 papers of level 1, level 2, level 3, right? This system which they follow. So this can be attained by our educators through personalized learning. We can design a format for that.
Fantastic. So what you are saying, Kavita ma'am, is that personalized learning from the pedagogical point of view gives you a very important vantage point to implement what is known as differentiated learning. That there are no class of 40 students is a monolith, and there are different kinds of students. And when you look at the personalized learning apps like Genio, then you get a better understanding of the individual students, and then you can respond to that also clearly.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we are running out of time. Arindam sir, I want you to have the last word. We have gone 5 minutes ahead of the time that we had. So
yeah, Bhageshji, no, so I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Sanjeev Kumar sir, Krishna Mohan sir, and Kavita ma'am for joining this particular session.
Thank you.
And I think what we have learned here today is that during the pandemic, we have seen agency of learning being passed on to the students, new methods, students learning behavior changing. And what emerged is that technology helped in bringing all the stakeholders together, parents, schools, students, teachers. And with that, we genuinely hope that with applications such as Genio, which tries to integrate in school learning and after school learning, we will be able to personalize learning, make it differentiated, and hope that the final beneficiary, that is the students, actually achieve their learning outcomes. With this,
I also have to thank some of the those participants who are there. There are some very experienced principals and educators also alongside with us today, and we hope that if we have not been able to take their questions, we can continue that, because our effort is to create what Arindam said in the beginning, is that we want to create a community of practice. And here
Exactly.
we would like to continuously discuss. This is just one forum where we have come together for an hour or so, but then our discussion must continue because this problem continues. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. It's been a
Thank you.
pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.